What's up everybody, Steve at Uniseal here, answering the most frequently asked questions that we get is, how do we prep every vehicle that comes through Uniseal? Every vehicle is done the same and we want to keep that process consistent so we get that nice look that everyone's looking for, showroom ready. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to bring your vehicle into the wash bay area. We're going to use our ultimate wash and wax to wash the vehicle. We're going to use a wash mint combined with the wash and wax, get it all sooty, get it all soapy, and make sure we get every crevice and every piece of your vehicle to make sure all the dirt's coming off of it. While that is working, the next thing we're going to do too as well is we're going to rinse the vehicle off, get that soap off, and then we're going to use an iron removal. And what an iron removal is that helps get any dust, dirt, road grime, anything that you receive on the road or through the sky, depending on the weather. It goes on looking yellow, a bright yellow, and then as it's working, what you will see is it turns purple. So as it falls off the vehicle, it starts to turn purple and it will have a bunch of purple spots on the ground. There's nothing wrong with the product at all. That actually is working. That's what you want to see. The next part of the process is we're going to wash the vehicle off again, and then we're going to use a clay bar. As you can see, it looks just like what it is. It's a clay bar. Same part of the process is we're trying to get any sort of decontaminants off of your paint, and this helps us do it. They also have clay mitts too as well, if you want to look at something different. After that, we're going to rinse the vehicle off again. Yes, rinsing it off again. We probably rinse your vehicle off countless times as we go through the process here. And then we're going to use any sort of chamois or towel to dry your vehicle after that. Once that process is done, we're going to take it out of the wet bay area and bring it into the dry bay. The dry bay area is where we're going to do the buffing, or what people like to call paint correction process. The paint correction process can be multiple stages depending on what kind of like scratches or fading or wherever the paint is. We have to kind of evaluate which products we're going to use there. It could be a 1-step, 2-step, 3-step. We look at every panel and every situation different. The goal for every paint correction process in our shop is to bring it as like new as we possibly can. Once that's done, we will then come through and do maybe some sort of wax spray or maybe some sort of hand wax. We could use our Carnauba for a wax spray. We also have a cherry wax right here that can be used too as well. Really just depends on what the customer is looking for as far as the end look goes. Guys, as you can see, we have a slew of different products here. Not all products are used at all the times, but we have a product for every situation that comes up. Whether you have a gum in the floorboard, this product is great to get that off too as well. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in, but that's how we prep our full vehicles. If you have any questions, any comments, any concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us on any social media, via phone or email. Thank you so much. Have a great day.